Hi, my name is Nur Ahini Hasana binti Adnan and I am from class 4. My student ID is 2023481111 and 4. So today we're going to learn about alloy. Do you know what is alloy? So if you want to know more, let's go! So let me introduce of alloy. What is alloy? An alloy is a mixture of two or more elements where the main elements is a metal. For each atom may consist of other metal atoms or non-metal atoms such as carbon. The process of mixing impurity atoms into a pure metal by melting is called alloying. What is the purpose of alloying? Do you want to know? So the first one, it is to increase the hardness and the strength of the metal. And the second one, it is to prevent a corrosion and the rusting. And the third one, it is to improve the appearance of the metal surface. The first one is duralumin. Duralumin is to make the body of airplane light and strong. The second one is brass. Brass is to make some musical instrument shiny and resistant to corrosion. The third one is steel. Steel is to make some part of the car body more thick and easy to repair. The fourth one is bronze. Bronze is to make the metal harder and more durable. So, let me explain what is the properties of alloy. The first one is bronze. Bronze consists of 90% of copper and 10% of tin. For the second one is brass. Brass consists of 70% copper and 30% of zinc. The third one is steel. Steel consists 99% of iron and 1% of carbon. For the fourth one, stainless steel is 75% of iron, 8% of carbon, 18% of chromium. For the fifth one, 93% of aluminium, 3% of copper, 3% of magnesium, and 1% of manganese. For the last one is pewter. Pewter consists of 96% of tin, 3% of copper, and 1% of antimony. As you can see, all of these, the properties are hard and strong. Meanwhile, for the bronze and stainless steel, both of them does not rise easily. For duralumin, it is light. And the last one is pewter. Pewter got luster in their properties. You know what is luster? Luster can determine as shining, but it's more bright. For the uses of bronze is to build statues and monuments. Besides, it's also in the making of medals, swords, and artistic material. For the next one is brass. Brass is used to make a musical instrument and kitchenware. For steel, it is used in the construction of buildings and bridges. It's also in the building of the body of the cars and a railway tracks. For the stainless steel, it is to make cutlery and surgical instruments. Duralumin is to make the body of aeroplanes and the bullet trains. And the last one is pewter. Pewter is used in the making of souvenir, like a keychain. Let's talk about the comparison of the properties between an alloy and pure metal. You know that a pure metal is made of one type of atom that is of the same size and arranged in orderly arrangement. When the force is applied, the layer of atoms in the metal easily slide. over each other. This can cause pure metals to be ductile and easily pulled into a fine wires. Pure metals are also malleable and its shapes can be easily changed. There's a empty space between the atoms in a pure metal. When the force is applied, the layer of atom in the metal will slide and fill in the empty space and form a new structure. And the last one is alloy. An alloy is a form when a foreign atoms are mixed with a pure metal. These foreign atoms are different in size and compared to the atom in the pure metal. Hence, the orderly arrangement of atoms in a pure metal is disturbed. This makes it difficult for the layers of atoms in an alloy to slide over each other when the force is applied.